Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Docs dark mode. Now, there is no way to make Google Docs dark mode from the browser website, but I have figured out a hack that I'm going to share with you. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So I'm going to show you how to do this on both mobile and desktop. So with mobile, you want to open the Google Docs app on your mobile device. Then you want to click on the three lines here on the top left. I'm doing this from an Android phone, but if you are using an iPhone, it should be the same. Then you want to click on Settings, choose Theme, and then Dark. And that's how to make Google Docs dark mode on a mobile device. On a computer, it's a bit different, as Google Docs do not have a dark mode feature for their desktop version. So this is what you will need to do to get dark mode on Google Docs. I'm just going to go to Google Chrome and open up a Google document. Then I'm going to open another tab and do a search for Google Docs dark mode. This is basically a Chrome extension that you will need to install in order to access dark mode for Google Docs. So you want to click on Add to Chrome, Add extension, and you can pin this if you like. Then you want to refresh the page in order to go dark mode. If you find the page color is too bright for your liking, you can change this by going to File, Page Setup, and you can change the page color to whatever you desire. Then you want to highlight the text by clicking on Command-A on a Mac or Control-A on Windows. Then you click on the text color icon and change the color of the text. And that is how to make Google Docs dark mode.